I searched for how to buy shares of Woolworths Group Limited. It is a leading Australian supermarket and retail group. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker WOW.ASX, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker WOW.ASX to find the listing. Select the matching Woolworths Group Limited stock from the search results. On the asset page, check the company summary and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Make sure the market is listed as CBOE AUS and the ticker matches before proceeding. Press buy or trade, enter the amount you wish to invest, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued to execute when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Once the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Soft CTA, the link to eToro, is available in the description if you want to follow the example.